Hello and welcome, I'm Inu Amy, and today I'm going to show you my time-lapse video of a watercolor painting. This is a fan art of Chacha from Akazukin Chacha, which is a magical girl princess type of anime. I hope you'll enjoy this. This is actually my first line art using India ink and a dip pen, and I love the various line thickness that I've got. I'm using Canson XL watercolor paper and also Daniel Smith's watercolors. I usually start painting on the skin using an orange or a peach color, then I use purple to add the shadows. I mainly use Daniel Smith's Essential Primary Set and a few other colors, so I need to do a lot of mixing. To make any color darker or duller, you can mix it with its complementary color. For red, it would be green, for yellow, it would be purple, and for blue, it would be orange. For some mixes that I use a lot, I would squeeze two colors in the same well to save time. I like using shiny metallic watercolor sometimes, and I'm using the Kurotake Gansai Tambi Starry set. To use it, you need to drop water on top and let it sit for a while before reactivating it. It's also important to separate the rinsing water, or else you'll get glitter everywhere. I'm trying a new method of adding white highlights. I've used gel pen before, but I'm not sure of its light fastness. I've seen one of my art that have gel pen on it and the ink turns yellow, so I want to transition into using white gouache instead. Here you can see me struggling with the dip pen and white gouache, and I later switched to a bigger nib, which helps a little bit. But if you have any tips on using gouache, please leave them down below and I would love to hear it. Thank you for watching. All the materials used are listed down below, and please subscribe if you enjoy the content. Feel free to leave a comment or a like, and if you're feeling it, you can also follow me on Instagram. Have a good day. Bye!